Hi, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I got Happy Mail today. A big box of it. So let's see what I got, shall we? This is the third video, so I'm not as excited. I've seen everything, but you haven't. So I got a watercolor Oahu, Ohuhu, Ohuhu watercolor brush pen set. Isn't that awesome? I've always wanted this set. And then she gave me all of her paint. She gave me this whole bag is watercolor. Yes, watercolor. These are all her watercolor paints. So lots of colors. Lots of colors. She gave me she gave me this box of oil colors, and it's full, quite heavy, so it's quite new. And she gave me this box of oil. They're all loose in there, but it's a whole bag of oil paints, and oil paints. So yeah, I got that from her. She's getting rid of all of her paintings or painting stuff because she just doesn't have time anymore. So yeah, she gave it to me. So thank you very much, Sylvia. I really appreciate it. My friend in Alberta. God, I've known her for more than 10 years. Um, I'd say almost 15 years, or 15 years exactly, actually. 14 years. So, wow, we've known each other that long. Man, we've had some fun. She got me into painting. She's the one who taught me how to paint. She's also the one who got me into golfing. Um, Not that I really play whack fuck, but I try. And if you don't know golf and whack fuck, they're very, very similar, but whack fudge or is where you whack the ball and then you go, oh, because it doesn't go where you want it to go ever. So I play that very well. I'm very good at whack, very good at it. If they gave out medals, I'd probably have a bunch. But golf, no, I suck at that. Yeah, totally. It's kind of hard to chase after a ball with a stick. When you have the ball in the same to begin with, why do you keep hitting it away from yourself? So anyway, yeah, she got me into that. And I thought for a while that might stick, but the only thing I like about golfing is the carts. They have no brakes. And they can get airtime, man. Ask me how I know that. And the beer carts. They'll drive to you and sell you beer. Wow. That's the only good thing about golfing. And hanging around with your girlfriends. So hopefully this summer I'll get a chance to go golfing with my two friends, Sylvia and Denise. We'll see. Keeping my fingers crossed to be able to go golfing and see them because I haven't seen them in years. But yeah, it's summer and people are traveling, people are more mobile, and I've got a few trips I'm hoping to make this summer. I'm hoping to go to Lethbridge and lay my mom to rest finally. And I'm hoping to go to PA and go golfing with my girlfriends because Sylvia's going from Alberta to PA to visit Denise. So I'd like to be there. I hang out with the three of them because we're always fun when we do that. So that'll be a golfing thing. And where else do I want to? Oh, I want to go camping for our 15th anniversary because July 1st is hubby's and my 15th wedding anniversary. And for our anniversary, we went camping at Cochin, where hubby likes to go camp. And we want to do the same thing this year. So we'll see if we can. You better be inside or outside. You are good. Sorry, spider. Oh, scary. So hopefully we'll be able to afford to go camping because we want to go camping for a number of days. We don't just want to go overnight or even just a weekend. We want to go camping for a number of days. So that's already expensive. And then we want to go camping with a bunch of people. Like my girlfriend wants to come and join us. My friend Dana, she wants to bring her hubby, and he'll want to bring his kids, and so it can get crowded. They're not the only people I want to hopefully come out. Like there's a whole bunch of people I want to come out. I gotta put a notice on Facebook here, reminding everybody. But it might not come out that way, but I can plan for it. I can plan for it. And then if it doesn't happen, that's okay. I understand everybody's got busy lives, but I can try. I can put it out there. And if they can make it, they can make it. If they can't, no worries, no stress. Just try again some other time. But yeah, I want to go camping for our anniversary. That's the plan. But if we can't afford to go camping, we're going to stay here and have our friends come here with their camper. And they can camp in our backyard and we'll have fun here. So we have backup plans. But yeah, this summer, I'm hoping things go well. You know, you always you always make plans, but you know, you gotta pay attention to the unknowns because you never know what'll happen. But I see my hubby just pulled up, but it's also almost noon and he was working and it's starting to get really hot out there, so he could have stopped for the rest of the day or till it cools off. Go back after supper, who knows? That's another thing, about working for himself. He makes his own hours. Um, he likes to get started early in the morning and then stop when it gets really hot and then go back in the evening when it cools off. He likes to do it that way, split his work up like that. It works for him, and I don't care. Whatever makes him happy. I mean, I'm not going to sit there and complain that he's going out all these hours to go work. I mean, that's not who I am, and he's happy working this way, and that's fine. Um, Lately, we haven't been eating supper together just because we've been scrounging it. We've all been lazy, and should make a big meal, but it's so hot. It's too hot to cook. It's too hot to eat. So, and I didn't get up early enough. This morning I had a bath. Hubby surprised me with letting me sleep in, and when he did wake me, he had a bath poured. So I got spoiled this morning. I had a bath poured. I had breakfast sitting there waiting, my pills, a tea poured and waiting for me to already, like it was already steeping. So he even put the dogs out for me. So yeah, I was really spoiled this morning. It was nice. So I don't get it every morning, but it was nice to have a bath this morning. So yeah, had a bath. I didn't get up early in the morning and cook supper, which I should have done, because at least I could have boiled some potatoes or something for later. So we'll figure something out. Maybe hamburgers and potato packets. That's actually a good idea. And that's something that all gets done on the Barbie. That's an idea. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to let everybody go. I showed you my happy mail. Oh, I never showed you my tank top. Wanted to give you all a look at my tank top that I've been doing. So this is a pattern from Bag O' Day. This is their easy summer tank top. Um, this is the top. So just got to make it a little wider. This is beautiful yarn I'm using. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's just gorgeous, the drape on this. It's just gorgeous. It's going to be like wearing nothing. This is so light. Like, this is going to be a nice tank top. I'm really looking forward to wearing it. This is a cotton acrylic blend. It's from Premier, and it's called Cotton Fair. So if you've never worked with Cotton Fair before, sorry about that. If you've never worked with Cotton Fair before, I think you should give it a try. It's a really nice yarn, and I don't know where the label is anymore. I had it, but it's a really nice yarn. Anyway, it's a cotton acrylic blend, and it's works up really nice. It's number 2 weight, and there's 317 yards in a ball. That's all I'm remembering right now. Sorry. I've tried to do this video a number of times, and in all of the times I must have misplaced that label because I can't find it anymore. So sorry about that, but I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I hope to see you Saturday. Remember, I go live every Saturday, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and I hope to see you there. Okay? Have a great week, and I will see you on Saturday. Have a great week, everybody. Be kind to yourselves and to others. Bye.